Velvet night, sheltering glow, champagne dreams in a silver show. I built my throne from rhythm and fire, every note as you, every step higher. Sick on my skin, piano size slow. Moonlight mirrors the power I know. Whispers fade when I walk by. Cause class never needs to try. They say a queen needs a crown, but I wear starlight as my gown. And it goes in my empire's flame, and every stage calls my name. Welcome to my Diva Empire, where's the lights of fame, my desire? Golden smoke and velvet fire, rise and rain, I never tire. This is more than fame, it's all a time. Long live my divine fire. Trumpets blur, the rhythm sways, time slows down my gaze. I don't chase, I magnetize. Grace is a weaponized lies. Every scar to diamond bright, turn rain into birds of light. The crowd don't breathe, they admire the art, the horse set for fire. They said a dream should fade with time, but mine just learned how to shine. Singing glory to my empire. Welcome to my divine fire, where's the lights of fame, my desire? Golden smoke and velvet fire, rise and rain, I never tire. This is more than fame, it's all time. Long live my divine fire. Soft spotlight, heartbeat jazz. My story's written in gold and glass. Every era redefines the art of living divine. Whisper turns to thunder unfolds. A queen reborn is I bold. My empire's now walls a soul. And baby, it's in full control. Welcome to my Diva Empire. Every note takes me higher. Velvet voices turn on fire. The crown is soul, not a tire. Vision fades, but I aspire forever in my divine fire. Lights dim, but I still glow. A timeless diva, still in the show. The curtain falls, I never return, 'cause my heart beats on in my Diva Empire.